Dear viewer, welcome to this presentation regarding the wholesale formula. What is the wholesale formula? In 2011, Dan Medors began selling on Amazon as a hobby with an original investment of only $600. He worked nights and weekends buying products on clearance at local retail stores and selling them on Amazon for a profit. It only took a few months before he saw the potential to turn this hobby into a business, and he left his day job to sell online full-time. Dan soon brought Dylan Frost onto his team, and together, they founded a less hands-on, more sustainable business model called reverse sourcing wholesale. Using this business model, Dan and Dylan have grown their business to do well over $36 million in sales on Amazon through tireless work and dedication to build something great. Because of their success in selling on Amazon, Dan and Dylan saw an opportunity to teach others to do the same. This began their passion to educate people on the opportunity to leave their 9-to-5 jobs and start a business of their very own by selling on Amazon. And ultimately, it was that passion that led to the wholesale formula. If you are serious about making a six-figure income and become independent, then you have come to the right place. Please take your time and listen carefully, you will thank me later. The Wholesale Formula is the premier online training program for anyone looking to leave the 9-to-5, be their own boss, and create a real business. No. Not just a job. Since 2015, the Wholesale Formula has taught more than 6,000 students from all over the world how to sell physical products on Amazon.com using our unique reverse sourcing wholesale method. What is reverse sourcing wholesale? Inside the wholesale formula, we teach everyday people how to sell products on Amazon solely using our unique reverse sourcing wholesale method. When people think of wholesale, they usually imagine the traditional wholesale model where a brand, also known as manufacturer, would sell their products to a distributor, also known as wholesaler, who essentially serves as a middleman between the brand and the retailer. So a retailer or Amazon seller like ourselves would have to go to this distributor to purchase the brand's products at a higher price and then resell them at either a higher price or for a lower profit. Look at the traditional wholesale model on screen. With our reverse sourcing wholesale method, we teach students to eliminate the middleman distributor and go straight to the brand owner to buy their products for less and then resell them on Amazon.com for a profit. If it's that easy, everyone would be doing it, right? Yeah, I know that's what you're thinking. The reason our model works is because it's not easy for just anyone to do it. To get a brand, also known as manufacturer, to agree to sell you, the retailer, their product directly, you've got to be good. And that's what we teach in the wholesale formula, how to develop relationships and provide value to brands so that they agree to let you sell their products and give you a good price on those products so you can make more money. So what's inside the wholesale formula? To put it simply, here's a list of everything a student of the wholesale formula gets. 24/7 lifetime access to our program. All future updates to our program at no additional cost. 6 modules of video training content. Module 1, Getting Started. You'll hit the ground running as we help you build a solid foundation of the wholesale formula business model and walk you through the steps necessary to start your business. Module 2, Product Analysis. Next, you'll learn how to effectively and efficiently analyze Amazon products to determine their profit potential to see if they're the right fit for your business. Module 3, Scouting. Master our proprietary scouting methods of Amazon filtering, smart scouting, and advanced smart scouting. You will use these techniques to find tons of the best wholesale product opportunities fast. Module 4, Value Propositions. Stand out and make yourself irresistible to brands to significantly increase your account approvals. Your Amazon expertise will help turn your partnered brands into raving fans. Module 5, Sourcing. Discover the exact systems we use to contact brand owners, open wholesale accounts, and negotiate lower prices. Accurately forecast sales to place initial orders and reorders, ensuring you never miss a sale. Module 6, Operating. This is where you learn how to manage your inventory from the supplier to Amazon. We cover things like placing orders, adding products to your catalog, and inventory management from the supplier to the customer. Resource Vault. The vault is where we lock up all of the good stuff that isn't one of the TWF core concepts. It's filled with the supporting lessons that you may, or may not, need while going through the course, things like how Amazon works and definitions. Essentially, the Resource Vault is the one-stop shop for action-oriented lessons on how Amazon works, what Seller Central is, how to set up a business, work with software like G Suite, and so much more. Bonus, Listing Optimization Formula. Learn how to professionally optimize an Amazon listing and other brand assets on Amazon so that you can provide more value to brands and improve their sales. Bonus, the Business Owner's Playbook. TWF exclusive software and services discounts. Special TWF student discounts for various tools and software we recommend to grow your business faster.
Since its founding in 2015, the Wholesale Formula has now taught more than 6,500 students how to build successful businesses from home. In December 2020, we sent out a survey to students of the Wholesale Formula. Just 960 students responded to the survey, and those students alone had sold more than $1 billion on Amazon. $1,057,143,592 to be exact. We've helped people of all ages from all backgrounds all over the world start their own businesses. Are you ready to take full control of your life? Are you ready to do real business and make a six-figure amount with ease? Are you ready to escape the bump and grind? And lastly, are you ready to be your own boss? If you answered yes to all these questions, then now is the time. Click the button below to read and watch hundreds of testimonials of people like you who have made it with the Wholesale Formula. So when is all this happening? The Wholesale Formula launch dates are as follows. On February 21st at 12 p.m. Pacific Time or 3 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time, begins enrollment in the Wholesale Formula. Click on the link below so that notifications can be sent to you.
Okay, so in conclusion, the Wholesale Formula is the ultimate gold mine on the internet today. Once you get a hang of it, you are on your way to an independent life full of happiness and freedom. Take control of your life today and you will forever thank me.